Hey guys, it's me.
Stranger from the outside.
What is good, y'all? I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys stay throughout. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you enjoy the vibes. We just got from the liquor store. She got a Twisted Tea. And you know, we gotta get some Ronas. Hey, repairing wheels, man. Repairing others people's improper work. Always, man. I've been wanting to do that, guys, to get one of those things so I could practice porting out my intake manifolds and shit. Oh, yeah. So I could do it myself when the time comes on the RRC or whatnot. See if I could do this. This shit, this is cool.
Day 2.
Hope y'all see me good. Hopefully it's in focus. Yeah, we secured it. We secured it. Hey, what's up? Hey.